Hello, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Smith here. I'm not sure why, but my camera thingy's not working right now, but we're just gonna go ahead and do math without my face. We are doing Unit 4, Lesson 12, which is the last page of our fourth unit here, so that's exciting. So it says math and pottery. Pottery are objects that are first shaped of wet clay and then hardened by baking. 4 steps are needed to make a pottery product: preparing the clay mixture, shaping the clay, decorating and glazing the product, and baking the product. Pottery includes products such as works of art, dinnerware, vases, and other household items. Some of the places you can find pottery include art studios, craft shows, pottery stores, and most households. All right, so for most of these, I think if you're feeling good, and hopefully you're feeling good, you can go ahead and try these before I do them, and then you can grade them along with me. A small pottery store has 9 boxes full of pottery items. The boxes weigh 675 pounds in all. How much does each box weigh? So if you have that many pounds, and we're assuming that it's evenly divided, that means we're going to do a division problem. So I have my whiteboard here. 765 divided by 9. 9 goes into 7, not really. 9 goes into 76 8 times to make 72. And then subtract 4, bring it on down and bring it on back, 45. 9 goes into 45 5 times, and it is 45. So there's no remainder. So we'll write in that equation 765 divided by 9 equals 85 lbs. By the way, I was wondering, why is it lbs? Because the word pounds, like why isn't it like pds or something like that? And I saw a video with Neil deGrasse Tyson, who is this like famous scientist, and he said that it comes from the astrological sign Libra, because they have a scale that represents it, which I was just like so surprised to learn. Anyways, Julio and Mira had a pottery stand at the annual craft fair. They sold some of their pottery at the original price of $13 each and made $780. Later that day, they decreased the price of each item by $4 and sold 20 more items. How much money did they make in all that day? Okay. So really, we know they made $780 after they had $13 each. They decreased the price, so that would be 13 minus 4, multiply that by 20, and add it to the 780. So we're going to do that. Parentheses, 13 minus 4, whatever that amount is, multiply it by 20, because that's how many they sold. And then we're going to add that to 780. So what is 13 minus 4? That's 9. So 9 times 20 plus 780. Using our order of operations, 9 times 20 is 180. And we're adding that to 780. I can do that over here. 180 plus 780, 0. 16 tens, 900. So they made $960. That's a lot. Good for them. All right. Number 3. Last month, Mr. Smith, my husband, bought 65 small cans of paint for his pottery shop. This month, he bought 3 times as many small cans of paint. How many small cans of paint did he buy this month? So that's simply, we just need to know this month, not all months together. So that's just 65 times 3. If you do that over here, 60 plus 5 times 3. 3 times 60, or 6 tens, is 18 tens, and 3 times 5 is 15. 180 plus 15, 9 tens, 195. a lot of paint, Mr. Smith. 195 cans. I guess they're small cans. Number 4. The employees at a pottery warehouse are packing boxes of vases, some people say vases, to be delivered by truck. They packed 824 small vases in boxes that each hold 8 vases. They also packed 296 large vases in boxes that each hold 4 vases. How many boxes do the workers pack in all? So first we're going to do the small ones. So that's going to be 824 divided by 8 for the number of small boxes. And then there's also the large boxes. So that's 296 divided by 4. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add those up, right? So let's do the first one. 824. 8 goes into 8 one time. It's 8. 8 goes into 2 0 times. And it's 0. You minus, you get 2. And then 8 goes into 24 3 times. And it's 24. Right? Okay. So 103. Are we done yet? No, we are not. That's just the small boxes. Let's do the big boxes. Or for the large vases, I should say. 296 divided by 4. 4 goes into 2 no times. 4 goes into 29 7 times. And you get 28 when you multiply 4 times 7. The difference between 28 and 29 is 1. Break down that 6. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16, so we don't have a remainder. Are we done yet? Not quite. Now we're going to have 103 plus 74, and we'll get 177. 177 boxes. What a busy day for those workers. All right, number 5. Last year, there were 3,875 different pottery items for sale at a large craft show. This year, there were 1,260 fewer pottery items for sale at the craft show. How many items were for sale at the crafts show this year? So we're going to take our, if you want to do a little comparison bar thingy, we know the difference is 1,260. We know the bigger amount was 3,875. And if we subtract the difference from that 3,000, we're going to get the number for this year. That's last year and that's this year. So we're going to do 3,875 minus 1,260. 1,260, 5 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 2, 6, 3 minus 1, 2. Oh my gosh, no ungrouping, easy breezy. 6, 1, oh. Okay. Number 6, Isabella saw a pottery design that she liked at a crafts store. She wanted to copy the design and paint it on a pot she's making. Part of the design is shown below. So we have blue heart, red circle, pink hexagon, red circle, blue heart, red circle, pink hexagon, red circle. So this is what is repeated. So the next thing, maybe I'll use pens for it. I got pink and I got, do I have red? I don't know if I have. Is this red? It's red. Okay, so her next thing should be this next part, right? Blue heart, red circle. Oh, I guess we just need to do, the 14th. And the 14th term in her design, well, that'll just be the same thing. It'll be blue heart, red circle, pink hexagon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, red circle. Because if each of these is a term and it repeats, that'll be the same thing. All right, my 4th grade friends, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.